President Bongbong Marcos isn't keen on declaring a nationwide state of calamity due to El Nino. The president says El Nino's impact on provinces varies and that the government will tackle the problem on a regional level. Around 18 local governments have declared a state of calamity due to El Nino, which is expected to peak this month until May. The latest data from the Agriculture Department shows that damage to the sector has surged to over 2.6 billion pesos.
Kasi ang dahilan dyan ni President Bongbong Marcos is that iba-ibang region, iba-iba yung pangangailangan.
Yes.
Although these regions are all experiencing El Nino phenomenon, pero iba-iba di ba? Yung isa mas kailangan yung irrigation, yung iba-iba yung sinabi niya, kaya sabi niya hindi daw, I think, kinakailangan na mag-declare nationwide.
But on
pero ang dami na ngayon na region
other
ngayon nag-declare ng sarili nilang state of calamity.
Oh yeah. But on the other hand, kasi ang sinasabi ng iba, why maybe pag kailangan i-explore, not really do it, is because although regional level, kasi case-to-case na nangyayari, but one region impacts the next region. Kasi some regions are dependent on other regions. Like for example, dito, may certain need dito, kukunin ko sa Region 8. Yung Region 8 may kukunin sa Region 7. Parang ganon. Or, di ba may mga needs ang certain regions, kaya dapat pag-usapan because we all impact each other.
Alam naman natin, kapag nag-declare ka ng state of calamity, mas mabilis ang proseso ng kakailanganin
and may access ka ng
funds.
Ng funds. For ano. Well, that's their job. Alam nila yung ginagawa nila. So, we defer to the wisdom of the President.